Hello everyone, Vanda here of rawandwell. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm answering a question. I got the pool behind me. I'm answering a question for you all today. And that question is, can I cook my food on detox when I'm detoxing? So that's a great question, right? And so when you're first starting off, you might have to cook some of your foods, depending where you are on your journey when you start with the detox process. And so I'm going to try to get a little bit better lighting here, see if this helps a little bit, just moving the camera around. So basically, when you're first starting off, you might need to go through that process of elimination and get into more and more fruits. But the ultimate goal is to be on fruit for an extended period of time, right? So the way you're going to do that is by eliminating the things that are definite no-nos, right? And whoever you're working with as part of your protocol, they'll definitely be able to guide you in that way, right? But what you want to do is definitely get away from the cooked foods for an extended period of time and allow the body to, at each stage of your journey, enjoy that stage, right? So, for example, if you start off with just fruit for breakfast, right? Doing some lemon water flush first thing in the morning, and then fruit for breakfast, and then for the rest of the day, you do as you were before, and trying to eliminate those things that are high priorities, such as dairy products, right? Big no-no. Animal products, any animal protein, grains and beans. Those things, you're going to have to slowly come off of those and add more fruits and vegetables in its raw form until you get to that point where you're vegan and plant-based, right? So you're still cooking some of your foods, and maybe you could do all fruit until lunchtime, have a big salad for lunch, and then for dinner maybe have a veggie stir fry or some salad with maybe a sweet potato, right? A steamed sweet potato to hold you off. And as you go along on the journey, that will eventually fall off, and that salad that you were having for lunch will move to the dinner time, and you'll just have more fruit up until dinner time, right? Until you could do a full day with fruit, and then do 2 days just fruit, and 3 days, and so on, and continue on that journey of just fruit, right? That's the ultimate goal. But sometimes, like I said, when we're transitioning, we have higher priorities, and those higher priorities are to eliminate the things that are very harmful and highly mucus forming, and also highly acid ash forming, right? And things that are going to stimulate the body and that are going to take the body a very long time to process. So we want to get rid of those first, get into the fruits and veggies as much as possible, and continue on that journey until you're comfortable enough that you could do 1 day all fruit and see how that feels, and then do 2 days all fruit and continue that, right? So moving slowly through the journey and giving the body enough time at each stage of that journey to adjust to the new things you're giving the body, right? So we could start balancing out and start recognizing the foods that feel best and that will be able to at one point balance the body enough where the body is comfortable and it starts healing itself and eliminating more and more waste, more and more acid, and starting to move that lymphatic system, starting to get the channels of elimination open enough to be able to take that dump that the lymphatic system is going to release into the gut, for example. If you release all these toxins and the channels of elimination aren't open, then it's going to come out wherever it can, whether it's through the skin or any of the other open holes that we have, through the eyes, through the nose, through the mouth. We start releasing mucus and sputum from the body. And so you want to open up the channels of elimination first, and then release a lot more of those toxins. So it's not a race. You take as much time as you can so you're comfortable where you are on the journey, so you can continue to grow. That 1% better each day is the best you can do. So do that, but get started somehow, whether it's starting with that fruit for breakfast or that lemon water and doing that for 21 days and changing nothing else, and just continuing to grow into that ultimate goal that you want, which is to be on fruit for an extended period of time. And then once you do that and the channels of elimination are open, then you can go into the higher levels, into the deeper levels of detoxification. So I hope that was helpful and helped clear up your question